How to add shipping in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress profile, then click on Dashboard. Click on WooCommerce and click on Settings. Click on Shipping tab. You can see the shipping classes linked here. Click on it. As of now, I haven't created any shipping class. That's why the list is empty. To create one, click on Add Shipping Class button over here. The shipping class is basically used to create a group of products of a similar type. Now, here you need to give your class a name. This name won't be visible to the users. You can also write the description over here. Once done, click on Save Shipping Class. That's it. Now, while adding shipping methods, the interface will add a few more fields, and then you can specify the cost for that particular shipping class. Thanks for watching.